I bought this Igooo dowler to replace my aging joint genie, which is very good, but I often make several mistakes with it and have to drill the holes again, and was hoping that this little device would make life a little bit easier. I bought it from Amazon, just under £150. In this video I'll try and make a butt joint with the Igooo dowler. Okay, so I've got a couple of pieces of ply here, and according to the instructions I mark off a couple of positions where I want the centre of the dowels, or the centre point of the two dowels to go. I'll just finish this off. Okay, so that's the two pieces marked. Okay, so the two lines that I've already drawn here, I've had to extend here to enable me to position my dowler in a position to face down into the wood. So I hope that makes sense. Turn the beast on. Well, that was easy enough, 4 clean holes. Okay, so that's my lines, marked lines lined up. And let's see how well this fits. Well, I have to say I'm impressed. That's a perfect flush fit there. Let's overlap this side, but whether that was my marking slightly incorrect or not, I really don't know, but well, hang on, let's try that way round. I think it was just my marking was out slightly, but yeah, overall, first time I've ever used this beast, I am quite impressed. Okay, as you can see on my second attempt, this is my second attempt, I was a lot better marking my centre lines, and well, just about perfect. Very, very pleased indeed. Much quicker than the old dowler, which I've always used, my little joint genie. Much better, much quicker. Yeah, very pleased with it. Waking up at 6 in the morning, as you do when you get older, I thought about the problem of lining up the two pieces of wood when creating a butt joint. So I decided to try one last time and line the edge of the dowler with the edge of the wood and drilling the holes that way. That way I didn't need to mark any reference lines when drilling the holes. And this did work exceptionally well. It lined the pieces of wood up nice and accurately, both at the sides and at the front. And yeah, it worked quicker, better, and I was very pleased with the result.